What's up, y'all? It's your girl Stasiaa here, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm obviously going to be reviewing this gorgeous ass blue synthetic unit from Amazon.com. Yes, another one from Amazon.com. So let me apologize in advance, because while I was recording the unboxing portion for this video, I completely forgot the name and all of that good stuff. I didn't have any of that information, the important information, with me in front of me. So yeah, all of that information will be listed down below in the description box. The name, the cost, the length, as well as the direct link, so you can feel free to purchase this unit for yourself. But yeah, thank you guys for returning. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend and tell another friend, and definitely turn on that notification bell, so then that way you will be notified each and every time your girl uploads a new video. So let's go ahead and get right into it, boo. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump straight into this video. So today, the unit I'm going to be reviewing is from ewigs.com, but this is also, well, I purchased it from Amazon, so you can also find this vendor on Amazon.com. And it is eligible for Prime shipping if you are a Prime member. So I did receive it within 2 days. Now, I do not remember the name of this unit, because I did order it a little while ago. So yeah. Anyway, this unit did come with a thank you card, which was so cute and pretty. It also came with some eyelashes, as well as a nude stocking cap. Well, nude stocking caps. So that's really bomb. And the bag is so gorgeous itself. Like, yeah. So yeah, this is the packaging for the unit. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy on up. Okay, so as y'all can see, this is very, very, very blue. Very blue, okay? And gorgeous. So it is a lace front, as y'all can see. I'm not sure how far. No, the lace does not go back that far at all. Y'all can see that's the parting space right there. The hairline looks pretty good too. It's not super plucked, but as y'all can see, they did do a little something, which is also good. But yeah, and it looks something like a, I don't know if you want to call this a body wave texture, the soft wave. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and try this on for y'all. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. The construction on the inside comes with the 2 side combs, as well as the comb in the nape area, and yet 2 adjustable straps. All right, guys, so as y'all can see, this is the unit on me. Yeah, the parting space isn't, you know, too far back, but yeah, but it's not bad. So anyway, yeah, it does need additional plucking, like not anything major, but I am gonna go ahead and just pluck the hairline and the part just a little more, just so I can get a more natural look. Now I'm gonna stand up. It is so gorgeous. Like, oh God, y'all, look at that. Look at it. Like, I am in love. So the length may eventually be a problem, but for the most part, I don't wear my synthetic units like that anyway. I just don't. So I mean, that's why I don't see it being a problem for me. If it does become a problem with it tangling or anything like that, I will just straighten it. I'm sure it can take heat. Mainly any synthetic unit, you guys, can take heat. You just have to proceed with caution. You get what I'm saying? I'm not going to put a 450-degree flat iron on a synthetic unit. No. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to go ahead and tweeze this hairline just a little bit. I'm going to pluck the hairline just a little bit. just so when I apply it, it can look a little bit more natural. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, I've already went ahead and cut off the lace. Now I'm just going to be applying maybe 1 to 2 layers of the Got To Be Freeze Spray just to hold it down. Y'all, can we say obsessed? Can we say obsessed, bitch? Okay, like I am really obsessed with this wig right about now. I love the freaking color. When I first bought it, I'm gonna be real, I did not think that I was going to like it as much on me because I am of a darker skin tone. I mean, but I've been learning lately, like almost just about every color look good as hell on us dark skinned women. Okay, that's not no shade or anything like that to y'all light skinned girls at all, but I'm just saying this melanin, okay, looks good as fuck in just about any color. So yeah, that was a side note. But yeah, I'm really loving this color. I'm really feeling it, and I'm feeling this wig. One thing I can say is that it does tangle just a little bit. Excuse me. As well as it sheds just a little bit. Not much, but it does. Give me 1 second. So this is my brush right here. I just want y'all to see how much it did shed. Now, I'm not sure if it shed this much because obviously I did pluck the lace, pluck the knots and everything and all of this and all of that. So, I don't know. Well, shit, it's synthetic, so what do you expect? You get what you pay for. I mean, I'm not complaining at all. Like I said, it does tangle a little bit. I'm still not complaining at all. It is what it is to me. I know how to manage hair pretty well, so at the end of the day, hell, I'll just curl it, straighten it, do whatever. Cut it up some, it'll be fine. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I know I definitely did. And I'm loving this fucking wig, y'all. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section. Or as a matter of fact, just comment with the blue heart. You know, if y'all love this look on me, just comment down below with the blue heart so that I know what's up. All right. So yeah, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe, that blue heart. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. I love you. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time.